What's up guys, and welcome to the second Java programming tutorial. And in this tutorial it's all about variables such as boolean, integer, float, string, double, character, you name it. It's all going to be done in this video. So let's start the tutorial. So I've already got a package here. I'm going to click here, not a package, a project, sorry. Click this, put class, click class, and put program or whatever. You can name it anything you want. And also click this, click finish, and now let's start the program. Get rid of all this garbage, we don't need it. Get rid of it. Let's start. Alright, integer a equals 20. Close off with a semicolon. Integer b equals, say, 5. Character or car, whatever you want to call it, C equals, wrong ones, yep, boolean D equals false, or might have it true, because you know boolean can only equal true or false. True. Double equals, say, 10, or whatever you want to call it. Let that load. Oh, should be a variable, sorry. A, B, C, D, E. Yep. Could get rid of that as well if we wanted to. String F equals hello, semicolon, and let's start printing all this out. Alright, so system dot out dot print ln. What am I doing? Print. This should not just basically print out hello like we did in the first tutorial where it said hello world. So yeah, that's what it is. And now I will be showing you how to print out the integers, the characters, the booleans, the doubles, the strings, etc, etc, etc. So I would say something like I am, remember your speech marks, I am, need a space, plus a equals 20, so I am 20, plus years old. Command save, command I, indentation, save that all. Let's see what that prints out. I am 20 years old. Let me copy all of this. Speech marks, I have B, which equals 5, so B, I have 5 books, whatever you wanna, you can put anything you want as long as it's relevant to the course or whatever, as long as it's relevant. Don't put something like I have 1 billion houses, man. You know, you can if you want to, but just keep it consistent, keep it spot on. Let's go on to the character. So command V, the alphabet has an, or I could say something, and the alphabet starts with it's a bit silly what I'm doing here. The alphabet starts with C. But if you think about it, C equals A. You see? So let me click execute and see what that gives me. The alphabet starts with an A. I have 5. Yep. Command A, Command S. Execute that. I am 20 years old. I have 5 books. The alphabet starts with an A. Or with A, not with an A. Because I've got the alphabet starts with A. I don't know why that keeps coming up. Get rid of that garbage. Also, yeah, let's go into the Boolean. If it's D, yeah, squiggly brackets, squiggly braces, what do you want to call it? System print out hello. It should print out hello because it's true, whereas if it was false, what I'm going to do now, it should print out nothing. There you go. Because of this and this, it's printed out false, but I'm going to keep it to true. Command A, Command S, true. Yep. Next line is, might just close, make that smaller. Next one is double. System out print. E. What is happening? That just prints out 10. But if you look at it, it's 10.0. If I do something like 10.8, it'll print out 10.8. If I do 3.14, what is that? That's the value of pi. So we can say pi is plus e. So pi is 3.14. And now string, I could just change that to my name if I wanted to. String f equals Rehan. So yeah, the next one is system. If I do that, my name is, put a space there, plus, and put F. Command A, Command S. There you have it. I'm 20 years old. I have 5 books. The alphabet starts with A. Hello. Pi is 3.14. My name is Rehan. All from just a couple of lines of code. Thank you for listening and watching this Java tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you guys in the Java 3rd tutorial. Thanks.